Hello everyone, this is Mohit Batra, the technical member of Codzilla community. Today we are going to talk about Microsoft Azure and cloud. So let us look at table of contents so we can know more about the video. In this video we are going to talk about what is cloud, what is Microsoft Azure, what are the services offered by Azure, and an exciting video relating to how you can create your own virtual machine for free. So what is cloud? The cloud refers to servers that are accessed over the internet and software and databases that run on those servers. The term cloud is generally used to describe data centers available to many users over the internet. To put it simply, storing data and programs on servers on internet instead of using your own hard drives is known as cloud computing. Key features of cloud. There are three main key features of cloud. They are security, accessibility, and reliability. Cloud services offers enhanced security. You can access your data from any system even if you lose your personal device. With cloud computing, you need not worry about losing your data and business applications. Second, accessibility. As long as you have an internet connections, users of an cloud system can work on any location. Cloud-based applications and data are accessible from any devices connected with an internet. Reliability. Cloud computing provides more reliability as compared to an internal IT infrastructure. Because cloud consists of many servers operating as a single one, there is no downtime if one server fails. Microsoft Azure. Azure is a cloud computing platform and an online portal that allows you to access and manage cloud services and resources provided by Microsoft. These services and resources include storing your data, transforming it, depending on your requirements. To get access to these resources and services, all you need to do is have an active internet connection and ability to connect to an Azure portal. A fact. Interestingly, 80% of Fortune 500 companies use Azure services for their cloud computing needs. Now let us look at major services provided by Azure to a user. Compute. These services enable users to deploy and manage virtual machines, containers, and batch jobs. DevOps. This group provides projects and collaboration tools such as Azure DevOps that facilitates DevOps software development process. It also features for application diagnostics. Data. This category of service provides scalable cloud storage for structured and unstructured data. It also supports big data projects, persistent storage, and archival storage. Content Delivery Network (CDN). These CDN services include on-demand streaming, digital right protection, encoding and media playback and indexing. Networking. These services include virtual networks, dedicated connections and gateways, as well as services for traffic management and diagnostics, load balancing, DNS hosting, and network protection against DDoS attacks. Internet of Things. These services help users to capture, monitor, and analyze IoT data from sensors and other devices. Services include notification, analytics, monitoring, and support for coding and execution. Now, three most important services that are offered by Azure: data, compute, and network. In data, Azure can store and query documents, NoSQL table, graphs, and columnar data. In compute, Azure provides several extensions such as Custom Script, PowerShell, DSC, which stands for Desired State Configuration in Computing. Network. Azure allows addition of storage and compute capacity to existing data centers without common throughput and latency delays without affecting any network performances. Now, let us take a sneak peek into an exciting video in which we can learn how to create your own virtual machine for free, provided you have an Azure account. Now, let us look at how to create your own virtual machine for free. So this is our Azure homepage and we'll go to more services. These are various services offered by Azure and we'll look for free offerings. So this is our free offering tab and we'll check out free services. Now these are free services that are offered by Azure. So here is our Windows virtual machine. Create. First we'll create a new resource group for our virtual machine. So we'll name it as RG1 resource group 1. Now virtual machine name. We'll name it as VM1. Now region is our East US. Images of Windows Server 2016 data center server core. This is the default size for free virtual machine. Then we'll create a username and a password. So our username will be Azure user and your password. Next we'll go to tags, review plus create. Now click on the create tab. We can check our deployment details. You can see here the machine is successfully deployed. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. For more details and queries, kindly contact us at the following links. Thank you.